Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying essentials. Charge the case and earbuds to at least 50% and make sure the LED shows activity. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone or laptop and open the Richripple app so settings are ready. With the case open and earbuds inside, press and hold the pairing button until the LED flashes white. Now watch your device list. Tap Richripple Airpods to pair. This first connection establishes profiles and allows firmware checks, so don't skip these initial steps. Once paired, you should configure controls and audio preferences immediately. Open the Richripple app and map tap or press gestures for play, skip, and your voice assistant. This saves time later. Then adjust the equalizer and toggle noise modes. Choose transparency for situational awareness or ANC for deep focus, and set ANC intensity. Also enable auto switch between your devices and set whether firmware updates happen automatically or on Wi-Fi only. You finish by validating fit and function. Run the ear detection and fit test in the app to confirm seal and balance sound. Next, pair any secondary devices and enable sync so your profile and presets travel with you. Make sure automatic firmware updates are active, then close the case and let it settle for a minute to finalize changes. If something goes wrong, reset the earbuds by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber. Then repair. That clears most connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.